Halifax. Ang cute naman, meron silang dagat. Wala na. Hi! Store. Crabs.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I've slept.
After flight has been cancelled, rebooked, delayed 5 times, rebooked again. We're finally here in Halifax. So, for now, it's time to sleep. Good night. See you tomorrow. Yes, good morning, millennials. So for today, we're here na sa Halifax. Dito tayo naghihintay ng bus stop. Doon kami nagstay sa kay Kuya Jeff and Ate Ethel, pinsan ni Nel si Kuya Jeff. And then, grabe, sinundo pa nila kami kagabi. So thankful. Tapos last night, nung, di ba na-cancel yung flight namin, nandun na din sila kahapon sa nung isang araw. Sa airport naghihintay for us. So, nakaya, pero sobrang thankful kami talaga kasi yung bus dito guys, hindi siya yung sa parang Toronto na every 5 minutes, every 10, ganyan, nandito. Dito every 30 minutes. So pag na mismo mag-wait ka talaga ng matagal. See you later, punta tayo sa Citadel, sa waterfront, ayan. Tignan natin yung Nova Scotia. Ano bang meron sa'yo? Charot. See you later. We're here na sa downtown. Downtown Halifax.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon, magtitingin kaming phase 3. Pang-energize before our day. And then, nilibot na tayo sa downtown and everything. Diretso lang.
Salter Street daw. Yeah. Hanapin natin. Okay.
Wow! Halifax. Ang cute naman, meron silang dagat.
Oo. Yung totoong dagat to, hindi to lake.
I know! Yung sa atin, lake lang. Yung harbor front natin. Lake lang. Ito ang totoong harbor front.
Sa loob. Sige.
Hindi na nila nilipat guys. Nandito na sa baking pa naka-display. Talaga lang. Hi! We are now here sa Cabin Coffee. So, yan. Parang ang atake niya is, cabin ng hunter. Kaya ganyan. And then for our food, we have scones. This one is blueberry, cranberry, and ito cheese kay Nel. And then, kumuha siya ng cinnamon roll. And then for our drinks, ito sa akin. Smoothie for the healthy living. And then si Nel, black coffee. Iced. Nagkape na siya kay Ate Ethel. Kape ulit siya. Kaya pa? Baka magpalpitate ka dyan, ha? And everything here, $28 lang. Lahat-lahat.
And you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise.
So this is Harborfront. Pakita mo ba yun? Pwede kang mag-rent ng mga water activities, boat tours, and everything. I'm not sure kung dito din tayo sasakay for Dartmouth, pero
Ewan ko lang.
I think so. Hanapin natin. Ayun, ferry to downtown Dartmouth. Yeah. So, minsan tayo sa number 13.
So yung punta tayo yung
Halifax Ferry Terminal. Pero mamaya,
May Lunenburg ba yun? Takot ang Lunenburg.
hindi. Mag-drive doon papunta.
Oh, okay.
Hindi tayo
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Let's go walking around here. Ang dami ding tao, guys.
Yeah.
Kasi it's a Saturday morning. May park pa sila. Uy, may dog baby, oh. Look. Naman ng group. Tapos Chingboy.
Docks is closed, sabi eh. Yeah.
Nakikita nyo ba yan, millennials? Ang taas naman pala ng aakitin dito sa Nova Scotia. Pagod na ako maglakad. Kaya pa, Beb. Doon kayo pupunta sa dulo. Yun yung Citadel. May tubig ako sa bag. Beb. May tubig ako sa bag. Doon yung asawa ko nagbe-picture lang saglit. So, ito yung Old Town Clock na tinatawag nila. Super old na siya. Old enough na yung number 4 is 4 pa na 1 na I. So, hindi pa siya yung Roman numeral na I5, ay IV. So, ganun na siya kaluma. Ganun dati para daw hindi nakakalito. Pero for us, mas nakakalito na siya, no? Kasi nasanay na tayo sa IV. Pero sa kanila, ito daw yung hindi nakakalito na part. So, kaya ganyan daw sila mag-clock before. Si Prince Edward, anak ni Queen Charlotte sa Bridgerton. So, ayan. Oo nga, di ba? Saan mo nakilala si Queen Charlotte? Sige nga. Hindi totoo, pero totoo si Queen Charlotte. And yan yung anak niya as proof. O, di ba? So, garrison clock pala yung tawag sa kanya. Siya yung nag-commander-in-chief. Tapos, concerned siya sa punctuality ng troops niya. Kaya, in-order niya na gumawa ng malaking clock. Practical. Iisa yung clock nila. Kasi hindi pa uso yun ng iPhone na naka-standard. Diba? So, may clock sila na malaki. You know what? Ito yung napagkakasundoan naming dalawa nila. Mahilig kami sa history. Na minsan, nagra-random fun fact kami. Para sa iba, sobrang weird. Pero, kami nagkakasundo.
May iba di pala totoo, no?
Yung mga fun fact namin, di pala fact. Fun opinion. Ganun lang. Pero kung magagawa, ganun lang talaga. We are here in the Citadel. Ayan. Makikita nyo na yung city. Hindi na tayo sa taas. I know. Makikita nyo yung ano doon, harbor. Doon kami galing. Isipin nyo naman yung inakyat ko. Ay. Napagod ang person. Ito na yung clock. Dito na kami sa baba ng clock. Ang cute dito. Nakatapat siya sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Cheers. Sa dilaw na araw. Cute. Recent knowledge and discovery. Well, discovery for us is Nova Scotia means New Scotland. So basically, bago siyang Scotland. So, this is the gate. And these are the guards. This is so cool. Good morning. I don't know if they can like talk back to us, but we're here. Morning. Nandun yung England flag. Tapos mamaya daw merong demonstration dito about sana yun, anong number, babe? Hindi. Sa may dito na area, may magde-demo daw ng 11:15. So about 15 minutes from now. And then after nun, may guided tour sa number 1 to number 9. Tapos pwede daw mag-fire ng gun kung gusto mo.
So, parang origin story ng Halifax. So, kung nagtataka kayo bakit si Prince Edward yung commander-in-chief nila noon, when this is Canada naman. Dumating yung British dito, may native Canadians na nakatira, yung mga Mi'kmaq. Tinanggap nila yung European to use their land. Parang opportunity siya to trade with them, ganyan. Tapos, itong British, dineclare nila na sa kanila na tong land na to. Like, kakarating mo lang, te. Tapos ayun na dineclare nila. Tapos pinangalanan nila Halifax, ganyan, without consulting yung mga Mi'kmaq. That's history of Halifax for you guys.
Oh my God. Totoo ba? Saan niya pinapaputo? Oh my gosh. Kakatakot. Empty shells ba, babe?
Oo.
Oh, tama na. Grabe. Buti wala nang World War nung napanganak tayo.
They would probably fire about 3 or 5 volleys. That's a lot of rounds, 100 people in a company. You can imagine each volley. You're getting a lot of lead down range. Afterwards, they'd pull their bayonets out. They'd look for signs to see if the enemy is actually breaking from the fire. The fear of the fire is probably firing happening on you is probably going to take hold more so than actually being hit
yeah.
yourself, right? You get hit with this weapon. This is a 5.77 caliber round. It is super chunky. It's very big. It's not, 50 caliber Browning machine guns. Very big round there, very powerful. Well, this is not as like large and charged around, and they're using smokeless powder, but this is black powder, but it's still a huge round. Entrance wound is going to be like this. Exit wound is going to be like that. So if you get hit center mass or a headshot, you're not surviving that.
Of course. We're now going in their room. Sabi na sa military, requirements.
It's true.
Paraphernalia nila. Tapos, meron sila ng fireplace. And then, yeah.
Ano to? Kainan?
Play, siguro. Kainan na din. Tapos, bed ulit.
Bed ba yan?
Chairs.
Bed ba yan?
Bed. Ano yan? Okay.
You correct me.
Bed yan, bed.
Ito. See that?
May
They
chairs
don't
and
have like the
parts.
49 and 50.
So, kapag hindi nila pa tayo mag-ano, mag-away-away. Ano to, Bible?
I think so.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not. Catcher in the Rye.
I love that.
Alam mo, nagbabasa sila ng Bible. Ito na yung relax talaga. Yung kanina, ano kaya yung kanina?
Yung kanina, hindi ko alam. Parang feeling ko barracks din. Pero,
Pero sila yung mga matataas na rank kasi ang laki ng bed nila eh. Ito yung bed nila, parang natin lang. Tapos kailangan mo pa siyang unfold para
Unfold,
makahiga ka.
saan yung foam nila?
Yung?
Parang foam?
Ito na ang phone.
Hindi, ayun, naka-fold.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Ito ang sila nakapin. Grabe, parang doon. Dito na din sila naglalaba?
Feeling ko. Yeah, washboard din eh.
Ha?
Washboard.
Kaya. Parang suot nung kanina na nag-demo. May pangalan, Peter Keith. Totoo kaya yung pangalan? Peter Keith, Hugh Morrison? Hugh
Morrison.
Jackman. Charot.
Ito
Yung
yung,
mga gamit nila, oh. Pang shine ng shoes, cutleries, toothbrush. Grabe mga toothbrush yan. Wow. Grabe. Oh, ito siya pag naka-unfolded.
yan.
Diyan na rin yung unang nila. Grabe. Hindi ka pwedeng magulo matulog. Ano?
Parang grabe, straight ka lang ano.
Oo, parang... Hindi ka na pwedeng mag-ganong.
Military strip.
Hindi
Ay,
siya yung,
sleep pala,
Hindi
sorry.
siya yung ano na bed, yung single bed. Parang mas maliit pa siya sa
Mas maliit
single
pa
bed.
siya.
Yeah, kasi sa single bed, pwede ka pang mag
Mag ganun.
Ano to? Sightseeing.
Siguro. Grabe yung mga ano dati, no?
Tambayan nila, dito sila nagkikwentuhan, gano'n.
Yung distance ng window sa wall.
Ay, no.
Grabe, no?
Dito, wall na din. Dito na din yung window.
Oo.
Baka
Pero
nga
hindi-
tambayan din. Kasi syempre, naka-fold yung bed nila. Saan sila upo? Parang doon naman lagi sa ano. Charot. Gumagawa lang akong kwento. Ito yung fireplace nila. Pagka...
Tignan mo to sa taas.
Ano yan?
Lalagyan ng ano nila ng
Oh, grabe.
plates tsaka ano, mga baso.
Grabe. Ganda pa nitong coat niya. Oh. Like, pwede mo pa siyang gamitin in the...
Baka may ari niyan talaga.
Oh.
Sinabit lang dito. Oh.
I don't think so, babe. Kasi mga gamit ng mga ano yun.
Ang laki ng citadel. Sabi niya like Ano mga tao dito dati? Nasa close to 1,000?
Close to 1,000 daw. We're now joining a pre-guided tour of the Citadel. So, i-tutor niya daw kami about ano yung mga dito, ganyan.
Oo. Kung ano yung mga place na pinag-stayan siguro. Ano yung,
I know.
may mga shops din ba pala dati dito? Or may mga shops ba dati dito? Or ano?
Wala naman na siguro, darling. Wala na silang time mag-shopping naman. Gusto nilang mabuhay na lang.
Or something, siguro like entertainment. Baka meron dito sa loob.
Last of the day, don't die. Walang shopping.
So originally that's the Cavalier building and that's basically where the soldiers would live. That's where the barracks would have been. So we don't get to stop on the tours unfortunately, but the last door on the right when you're facing this way is the barracks room and you can see some of the beds that they would have slept in, some of the kit that they would have had to maintain. So that is basically where they all would have lived. Nowadays there's a lovely gift shop and a coffee bar and stuff in there, but yeah, historically that's where they would have been sleeping and eating. Lower ranking soldiers would be there, and then the officers, like I said, would live in there in much nicer quarters. They had kind of their
I told ya. Sila yung may malalaking petty officer.
Anyone not familiar? Black powder is an explosive. It's what you're lighting in order to actually launch your projectile out of your rifle or out of your gun. And so you want to keep that in a nice, safe place, like this powder magazine that's nice and protected here. These barrels would have been about 100 pounds each, and there's lettering on them that you can see that would have given you some information about what's in them. So some of the letters like LG and RG memorize all of whatever you kind of flag meant and what all of the disposition means, and very quickly relay that and then take it down again. But the commercial signal masts, as you can see, would stay up all day. So we still put them up in the morning, and then sometimes we have another one that we put up at noon, depending on the day. At one point, this was the highest point in the city. Nowadays, we've got these lovely, very historically accurate cranes and everything. But back in the day, there would have been no other surrounding structures that were as tall, so you could see this from everywhere. If you're curious after the firing, you can basically head up to where the signal post is and go up the steps, and you can see where George's Island is, and you can see that they have another signal mast that's a direct line of sight, even today of where we are. So you can kind of see how the chain would work from that. All right, if anybody is sensitive to loud sounds, you can cover your ears now, just in preparation there. And you'll know when it's done because you'll see it go off. Very good one.
So, next nating pinuntahan is prison. Hindi mo siya prison like talaga. Lock-up room daw. Para sa mga soldiers na may ginawang mali. And ang usual daw na kaso nila before is pumapasok ng lasing. So, dito daw sila nagpapamunaw. Ngayon nagpapasober up. So, dalawa lang. So, kung marami kayong pababa. Kung marami kayong nag-inuman kagabi, so isita na lang kami dun sa kama.
Grabe.
Over parang, they can't let us also.
And we're here sa Waterfront Warehouse to try some oysters, seafood and everything. So first time ko magta-try ng oysters ngayon. So hopefully magustuhan mo siya. Or gusto mo yung a small indulgent and unapologetically good from a cold.
Hey guys.
Hi, good morning. I mean, good afternoon.
Can I grab anything to drink to start off this afternoon?
Where's the drinks? Do you have any like juice, like
Mocktails or just juice?
shake, fruit shake? No.
Like smoothies?
Yeah.
No, we don't have any smoothies, unfortunately. We do have some frozen drinks. Like we have the frozen strawberry daiquiri, margarita, and frozen Bellini, and they can be made without alcohol as well.
Okay, I'll try this one, but without the
Virgin daiquiri, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything for you?
For me, I'll just...
Huwag mo sabihin magko-Coke Zero ka.
no.
No. Frozen? Bellini? Bellini. Ang sarap. Siguan ko yung akin.
Salamat.
Tamis. Grabe, nagtikim. Hindi ko alam, babe. Di pa ako nakatikim. Parang garlic yan. Tapos salsa kaya yan? I don't know, babe. Are you happy? Sige, atikim ka lang walang anything. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sige.
Kunti lang. Tikman mo. Nag-pray ka na?
Ano to?
Not sure, baby. I think so. Ginger?
Hindi ko ma-determine. Pero parang something sauce.
So,
Are
lemon
you supposed
siya.
to put yan?
Yeah. I don't think so, baby. Hindi ba yung sinusultok? What? What? Masarap? Yun yung nakikita ko sa ano. Ano yan? Suka? Ako nga din! May ito yung ginamit mo?
Yeah.
Ito sa akin.
Yeah.
Itong malaki.
Kaya yan, kaya.
Tapos, ganito siya, no? Hindi ganito.
Kahit ano like. Pero make sure, mag-ingat ka kasi baka masugat ka.
Saan ka masusugot?
Matalim tong shell. Nasugat ako dati sa shell sa ganito.
So, itong lemon and asin.
Maglagay ka. Ano yung ilalagay mo?
Try ko to.
Sauce?
Ano ba tong sauce na to?
I think suka lang. Yeah.
Oh! Suka na may
Sibuyas.
sibuyas. Okay, let's try.
Let's try.
Rasang dagat.
Sarap. Di ba?
Parang tubig dagat lang yung sabaw niya pala. Sarap.
Approve.
Approve. More. Our lunch is here. This is ahi tuna poke bowl. And that one's crab cake. Uy, pwede ba sa'yo yan, babe? Sarap.
Ano ba?
Ning, natnagan. Natnagan ko na. Sarap.
Sarap to. Grabe.
Lasang mga ngatigan na. Sarap lang. Wala ang sarap. Lasang-lasa mo yung crabs. Let's try yung tuna. Okay lang. Wow. See? Baby! Baby!
Ito ba yung gagawin nila sa may sailing GP?
Bakit ito may pagman siya? Yung iba walang parang fin. Mas mabilis ba pag mas malalim yung fin?
Siguro. Siguro hydrodynamics. Tsaka
Pero yung iba kasi yung fin na nagbabalok pa. Pwede mo ipaganon, pwede mo pa. Wow, ang laki.
ang laki ano. Tingnan, pakita natin. Titanic Part 2.
Parang mas malaki yung doon sa pinuntahan natin dati, no?
Oh.
Yung ano niya.
Exhibit yun eh.
Sa bagay, especially for Titanic, no? Open air ba to, babe? Totoo to? Oh. That chairs allowed passengers to lead, relax, socialize, and plan ang kasi. Oo, so parang nakita natin kasi. Feeling the air, the healthy sea breeze. Wala naman. Kaya nila pinalitan, maganda naman yung ganito.
Ergonomic.
Ergonomic pa. Ngayon parang pek.
Ewan ko.
Ganun na lang.
Sige na. Baka masira mo pa. Tsaka,
Ganun ba ang kapag?
Mauritania. Ay, iba pala yun.
Wow.
This is a workout. So, sa totoong buhay, may mga ganito na
Feeling
kailangan
ko.
i-pump ng mga tao.
I think so. Ako try ko.
Ikaw nga.
Mas malakas yung engine mo. Grabe nila pag nalang yung bag ko dun. Siguro nagbubumba ka ng gulong nyo dati, no? Galing ah. Makapaandar na siya ng ship. Itong isa, try mo, babe. Ay, mas mabagal yan.
Sumagal naman ito.
Kasi isa lang yung niya.
Dalawang piston lang yung gumagalaw.
Ay, may piston, ganun. Tama na. Magdadaol.
Come into that traffic jam ahead. Can they stay on the foils here? A big moment for the Danes right now.
Akala ko ba Ferrari? Ay, iba pala yan. Ibang Grand Prix pala.
Didn't get fast enough. Fell off the foils, but they've made a big gain. They've still got more.
Naunguna yung Australia. Sinusundan ng Spain. Ay, Brazil ba yun? Spain yung baby. Ito naman, dalam yung flag. Tapos, anong susunod? Ayun na yung Canada. Nahuli. Charot. Joke lang. Ayun na sila, guys. Ano kayang ruta nila? No?
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence louder than most.
We're 5 minutes in dito sa Dartmouth. Napansin lang namin, parang walang tao dito. Like yung mga establishments nila, walang tao sa loob. Hindi katulad sa Halifax kanina na ang dami. We're here in Sullivan's Pond. Grabe, ang peaceful naman dito. Mag-hi kayo sa mga pato. Yan sila. Hello! Hi! So, ito yung kanilang tirahan. Charot. Imbento na naman. Oh! Yun yung emoji. Yun ang emoji ng duck. Yung duck ni Queen Elizabeth. Upo tayo, babe. Wanna sit? Sobrang random, no? Merong railway dyan sa gitna. Pero yan yung dating train na pinapower nung Sullivan's Pond na pinanggalingan natin kanina. Akala ko nung una, lang siya, like aesthetic, ganyan. Meron silang
Sundan mo yung
fountain, ganon.
Sundan mo
Yan o, may truck siya, di ba? Banda dun, dire-diretso, meron talagang truck papunta dun sa harbor front. Yun yung pinapower nung dam na ginawa nila dyan sa Sullivan's Pond. So, very productive yung pond. Hindi lang siya for maganda, ganyan. Pero pinapower niya yung railway train. Yung pag-andar-andar. O, di ba? Utak sila dito. Mutak. Ang yan yung station nung train. So, may siya. May lubid-lubid. Kita nyo ba yung lubid-lubid? Yan, sa loob. May lubid-lubid siya. Reenactment. Tapos dito din, di ba doon tayo galing. Dito sa banda na yan, may tracks pa din. So, dito yung dating tracks. Hanggang dun sa harbor front.
Ayun, nature niya dati. Yung Sullivan's Pond. Dire-diretso yung...
Oh, iko. Oh, you are here daw. Diyan, ito yung dati. So, ito yung Sullivan's Pond. Pupunta dun sa harbor front. Sobrang productive ng pond. I love it. Pero ngayon, hindi na nila ginagamit. Ngayon, wala na siya. Hindi na nila kailangan. So, may na kasi ngayon. Canada Post. Charot. For dinner, we're here at the canteen. Say hi, baby. Pagod na yan siya. So, we're having crab dip and then crabster roll. Yeah. So, snow crab siya tsaka lobster. So, Actually, hindi namin alam magkano to. Nakalagay lang market price. Tapos in-order na namin. Bahala na lang sa bill. Na? Sige lang. Ni, natukol. Anak. Anong masasabi mo? Sarap ako. May lemon, no?
Yep.
Sarap. Piling ko mas masarap ng isa. Gusto mong pickles ba? First time ko makakatikim ng fancy na lobster. Kasi yung unang lobster ko yung sa Balaba. And boiled lang siya. Yun na. Boiled lang.
That's not how it goes, so when you haven't.
Sakay ba?
Mine, so
Alam mo yung tinatry ko yan ng crabs.
mine hold, and all of a sudden, once it decides.
Ang lambot.
No, I'm not. That's why I get the honey. I'm just kind of like.
Hindi ko na makatanong mo yun.
Diba? That's why.
Tikman ba?
All I can taste is like the ear will tease me. Sometimes be like, oh, you don't want to eat. And I'm like, no, man, if you could feel it fucking pain in my stomach, I'd love it. This is the prettiest. All I can taste is celery though.
Dessert time. This is yung carrot cake. And this is brownie. Very different. Sesame brownie daw siya with peanut brittle. Peanut brittle? Parang sesame brittle. Go, go, go. Try, try, try. Ano tong ano, Bev? Katas niya? Caramel? Ano?
Hindi siya caramel eh.
Sige na, tikman mo na. Sarap?
Sarap ng cream cheese icing.
Oh, yung...
Sweet.
Oh, really?
So, parang ano siya?
Maalat-alat.
Savory.
Oh, you like it? Alam mo yung XO? Alam mo yung XO? Yun yung klase ng salsa. Yung XO na kape na...
Iisip ko kung ano. Kasi hindi siya caramel eh.
Baka may kape na caramel. I think so yun.
How do you get in there?
Sarap.
Ito is what? Sesame.
Brownie, sesame. Let's try it.
Where is the door at?
Try like this. Ano siya? Medyo naksot. No?
Okay.
Sarap dito, guys. In fairness. Feeling ko malaki yung bill namin. Dala na si Nel. Naka-budget naman. We're now going back to Halifax and itatry namin yung ferry. Kasi kanina nga, di ba, pagpunta walang ferry kasi dun sa Sail Grand Prix and everything. So, matatry namin mag-ferry. Yay! Terminal. Nakabili na pala kami ng pass namin. Gumagamit kami sa may HFX Go. So, dito kami bumibili ng pass. Ang mali lang na, bumibili lang kami ng adult one. Meron pa lang 1 day pass. So, mas sulit to kasi $7.50 lang. Eh, yung isang ride, $3. So,
Siguro
yun, kami nagkamali. I know. Sayang. Harap na harap.
I do not climb yung lion.
Layo. Ilang akos. Pero maganda sa taas kasi makikita niyo lahat ito.
Nakit yun na po ito ate sa taas?
Nakita namin sa taas.
Oh.
Meron siyang parang iikot-ikutan na pataas.
Ah, hagdan din.
Oo.
Tapos, makikita nyo na yung dagat-dagat dito. Sige, ako.
Sige ah. Oh. Okay lang. Kung mahimatay ako, okay lang. Ah? Kung mahimatay na ako, okay lang. Parang taas noon kasi. Sige, go.
Wala. Ang sakyan.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda!
Baby.
Excited na natin. Kasi hindi ako physically. Pinapakakit mo ako ng ganito.
Ang ganda.
Alam mo, baby,
Ah,
yung fitness app ko, nagre-ring na kasi sobrang galing ko daw today. Na-achieve ko daw lahat ng goal ko.
ang ganda. Check natin dito. Ulit.
Sa pabilis lang yung tinang ko lang masyadong mahirap. Hindi masyadong mahirap, hinihingal na. Anyway,
diba?
look at that view, guys. Nag-effort ako para sa... Makita niyo siya.